What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I do my eyelash extensions at home. So if you're interested in seeing this process, then just keep watching. So I start by taking a pair of lashes I want, some tweezers, glue of course, and then a pair of scissors. With the scissors, I'm going to cut each lash into 4 pieces and then apply them from, like longest to short. So I take my glue and I actually apply it under my eyelashes instead of on top. And then I put the eyelash piece on. I like to do it like this because I feel like it gives me more of like a flawless effect. And also when you like close your eyes, you can't see the lash band like on top of your eyelash like normal. Like when you close them, it's just gonna like legitimately look like lash extensions, So I personally prefer this method. I tried it before putting the glue onto the eyelash first and then sticking it underneath, but I don't know, for some reason when you put it on your eyelashes first, the glue just dries way faster and it's just a faster process. And as you can see, like you can tell there's like volume on the left side, and here's a close-up of that. So when you're gluing it on, where your eyelash hairs end and then your skin starts, you know what I mean? I put it right at the end of my own eyelashes. I don't glue it to my skin, so just keep that in mind. With this eye, I decided to put glue across like my whole eyelashes instead of waiting like piece by piece, you know what I mean? And honestly, this made it like 10 times faster. I think each eye took me like a minute or less. I'm like not even exaggerating. Like it's such a fast, easy process. And no, I don't feel anything when I close my eyes. There's no itching or nothing like that. And this is the final look. It's really easy. I hope you guys get the chance to try this at home. If you do, leave a comment below. Let me know how it went for you. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.